Hello natural beauty lovers, welcome back to my cosmetic school. This is a short video to show you how to make simple melt and pour shampoo bar. The first thing to do is to cut your melt and pour soap into small cubes. Add the desired amount and melt it. I decided to add my cocoa butter together with the melt and pour base just to make it easier to process. If you're using a liquid oil, you don't need to add it into this step. Just melt your base, and then after you take it out of the microwave or a pan, you can then add your oil. This is my melted base mixed with the cocoa butter, and now I just have to add my essential oil. This recipe is part of a Mere Cosmetics shampoo bars ebook. You can find all the information about how to make this product and much more in that ebook that you can find and download directly from a Mere Cosmetics website. The last step is to pour the mixture into your silicone mold and just allow it to dry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget, all the information is available at the Mere Cosmetics website.